So I'm Nate Newman, and I'm chair in solid state technology, and I work within the materials program at Arizona State University. And our research is to look at basically solid state devices, semiconductors, superconductors, dielectrics, and basic materials up through some device type testing to learn more about the materials. So the SciHub, so I co-direct the SciHub with Frank Wilczek. And we talked a little bit about using perception theory to enhance the life of society. And so one of the things that SciHub is trying to do is to bring diverse groups of people together to help solve problems. And in fact, we're really looking to develop final products.
So the conference then, as an offshoot of SciHub, it's called SciApp. So it's kind of a pun in there. That's like applications of science, but it's the app part actually stands for arts and possibilities and perception. So we're interested in both the science and the applied side of how we could use perception to maybe make the human condition better, things like that. And I think so. Frank Wilczek has done work on showing how we can expand perception, since we know we don't perceive things like outside of light wave frequency, and we can maybe make glasses and things to actually perceive more of the world that way. My area often is looking at illusions and things like that, on how we don't perceive a lot of things, or we get tricked because we're trying to sort of compress the information in an efficient way. So, but as far as applications then, we're also really interested in the art side of things. Part of that is just having some humility as a scientist, that we don't really know all the different ways of looking at reality, and there's something about the arts and music that inspires people to be creative in ways that are just really fulfilling to us.
University is extremely good at having great resources. They have psychology departments, they have physics departments, they have business departments, they have industrial designers, and they have these great ideas, and they do research to understand things and even develop one, but very rarely do they work on final products. So we're trying to develop final products for commercial applications, even for museum exhibits, for education modules. It could be for the university type, but it could also be for outreach, for STEM education. So we're looking at a wide range of opportunities to take the initial kernels that the university starts with and take it to grow in this analogy a final tree. So we're pretty excited about that. So the SciApp workshop is actually following along these lines, where the wide range of people are coming together in a wide range of disciplines to look at, in this case, a focus on perception theory, both from the scientific side as well as from the arts and cultural side. So we're really excited about that.